हेलो फ्रेंड्स।
हेलो नमस्ते, मेरा नाम इरीना
माय नेम इज आमिर
एंड वेलकम टू आवर चैनल
लाइफ विद रशन भाई। तो फ्रेंड्स फाइनली आज मुझे टाइम मिला है इरीना को आगरा घुमाने का, सो आई विल टेक हर
फाइनली
टू सी एज, क्योंकि मैंने भी नहीं घुमा आगरा बिकॉज मैं रह नहीं रहा हूँ आगरा में काफ़ी सालों से। सो मैं भी थोड़ा बहुत एक्सप्लोर करूँगा कुछ नई चीज़ें। सो लेट्स सी।
But although he grew up, he must know many famous places to eat, to explore, to walk, right?
हाँ, स्कूल टाइम में कॉलेज टाइम में हम बाहर जाते थे,
So I
खाते थे
want to
गलियों
see
में।
those places. I want to experience the same things which you used to experience before in your childhood. So show me.
Okay, so I will show you what I used to do.
Okay, let's go then.
तो जैसे कि हम रास्ते में जा रहे थे और यहाँ पे कुछ नई चीज़ें मुझे दिखाई दी हैं, जैसे कि आगरा में मेट्रो बन रहा है।
Can you imagine, friends? It's unbelievable. Agra is going to have a metro. Have you ever thought of Agra metro? Oh wow, that is crazy.
मैं तो कभी नहीं सोचा था, मुझे लगा है थॉट मेट्रो से मेट्रो सिटी में ही होता है।
Yeah,
बट आगरा
Agra
में
is so
मेट्रो।
much developing. Like I could not believe my eyes when I saw that metro station. Seriously? Oh wow.
So let me show you the spot where we stop. तो जब आप आगरा एक्सप्रेसवे, यमुना एक्सप्रेसवे से एंटर करेंगे तो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी आपको मेट्रो का कंस्ट्रक्शन दिख जाएगा। आगरा
It's all
मेट्रो।
the way. Can you imagine? This road is completely covered in metro constructions.
और मॉल भी यहाँ पे है।
Yeah, it's also very nice, clean and neat. I have never thought that in Agra there are malls.
यस, आगरा हैज़ अ मॉल। सो यहाँ पे एक मॉल है जो अभी काफ़ी टाइम से है और एक मॉल है जो काफ़ी दूर है। सो वी विल नॉट शो यू मॉल्स बिकॉज वी विल शो यू इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स। एंड हियर इरीना।
Let's go, friends. I want to see what else is unusual in Agra. Friends, you see, Agra is so much modernizing. They have cleaned the roads. They made it very broad, and plus there are so beautiful street lights on the roadsides. Wow, it's amazing. You see, Agra is not what you could have believed or you could have seen 10 years ago. Agra is changing, and it is really good change.
और यहाँ पे दोस्तों एक चीज़ मैंने नोटिस करी है कि यहाँ पे रेड लाइट बड़ी स्टाइलिश है। मैं दिखाऊंगा, अगर किसी रेड लाइट पे रुकेंगे तो उसमें कुछ साइन भी बना आता है और कैमरे हर जगह लगा दिए, हर रेड लाइट पे कैमरे ही कैमरे। सो आप जैसे अर्लियर का था ट्रैफिक रूल्स को आप स्किप करके रेड लाइट जंप और ये कर सकते थे, लेकिन अब बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट हो चुका है यहाँ पे लॉ। सो यू हैव टू फॉलो द रोड रूल्स। बट स्टिल आगरा की रोड्स अब काफ़ी ब्रॉड हो गई हैं, काफ़ी क्लीन हो गई। रीना कैन शो यू द रोड्स आर वेरी क्लीन एंड नाइस एंड प्लस मेट्रो इज़ कमिंग। सो आई डोंट नो, लाइक 2 साल 3 साल के बाद तो आगरा तो एकदम मस्त मेट्रो सिटी बनने वाला है। सो दोस्तों मैं इसी रेड लाइट की बात कर रहा था, अगर आपको दिख रहा होगा कैमरे में, पता नहीं मेरे को तो समझ में आता नहीं है रेड लाइट के ऊपर VAC क्या लिखा हुआ है, कभी कभी STF लिखा आता है, कभी कुछ। तो अलग ही तरीके की रेड लाइट मुझे यहाँ देखने को मिली है। बट अगर आप देखेंगे तो कैमराज इन्होंने हर जगह लगा रखे हैं, हर कॉर्नर में। सो सिक्योरिटी पर्पज़ से अब आगरा काफ़ी सिक्योर हो गया है और आप ट्रैफिक रूल से बच नहीं सकते। फ़ौरन चालान अब ऑनलाइन आपके मोबाइल पे आ जाएगा। बट देखिए कितनी बड़ी और नाइस रोड्स हो गई हैं आगरा की। मैं तो काफ़ी बार ये चेंज देख के काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, बिकॉज चेंज इज़ गुड। रोड्स आर स्मूथ। इवन समटाइम्स दिल्ली में भी मुझे कभी कभार कुछ एरियाज़ में इतनी स्मूथ रोड देखने को नहीं मिलती है।
And friends, here we are.
और दोस्तों मैं इरीना को लेके आया हूँ आगरा के फेमस मार्केट में, जहाँ यूजुअली जो टीनेज लोग हुआ करते थे, लड़कियों को इम्प्रेस करना है, तो ये सदर मार्केट है।
Yeah, it's like center of Agra.
नॉट सेंटर आगरा अलग है, संजय प्लेस साइड।
Oh, okay. So because I saw on the way so many shops, different food items, different clothing, so it looks colorful and bright. And you know, already I love markets so much, and plus it's so much noisy.
या सो इट्स वॉकिंग लेन, एक छोटा सा यहाँ पे पाथ बना रखा है वॉक करने के लिए। साइड में शॉप्स है, शॉपिंग करना है, चाट खाना है, गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ घूमना है। सो यहाँ आया करते थे दोस्तों के साथ, वाइफ के साथ। तो हम दोस्तों के साथ आया करते थे, यहाँ बैठा करते थे, एंजॉय करते थे इवनिंग में। सो आपको दिखाते हैं सदर मार्केट और खाएंगे कुछ सदर बाज़ार की चाट।
So let me check everything and I will definitely tell you how worth it is to come here.
तो ये है सदर मार्केट तो यहाँ पे हर टाइप की आपको शॉप दिखेगी। अगर आपको ग्रॉसरी लेनी है तो यहाँ पे ग्रॉसरी
I
स्टोर है।
don't think it's grocery shops. Maybe you forgot how many years you haven't come here.
ऐसा ग्रॉसरी स्टोर। और यहाँ जूती बहुत फेमस है आगरा में। अगर आपको पार्टी
But
वेयर
friends,
जूती
we already
चाहिए।
have shown you now previous videos from Agra, places where you can get the best shoes in Agra, which are branded.
So this is the party wear jooty someone wants.
Oh, see, they have some party over there, friends. See, there is a tent behind. What is this?
No idea.
ये क्या है, friends?
I
ये
have
क्या
no
है?
idea.
Some concert.
Some small party is going on.
Wow.
और यहाँ हमारा डॉग एंजॉय करता हुआ।
Привет, дружок.
So बच्चों के लिए टॉयज, बैग्स,
Oh wow,
Again, Jyoti.
so beautiful dresses I see. Let me check.
सो ड्रेसेस भी अवेलेबल हैं यहाँ पे। सदर बाज़ार में आपको ऑलमोस्ट सभी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी।
So nice looking dress. Really beautiful, fancy.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Nice. So let's see, let's walk.
And here you can buy European dressing, let's say some tops and jeans and all. Nice. See, I had
Watch.
so much misunderstanding and misbeliefs about Agra. I thought it is like different, but in reality it's very modern, you know. Oh, monkeys! See, can you imagine there are monkeys in Delhi? You will not find monkeys like this. Oh, wow! Hey, friends, дружочки! They are my fluffy friends. Can you imagine?
और ये
See,
है
see? He's coming down. Oh, he's like a small human. Great. And this is what, is it that eating food, street food?
या ऐसा स्ट्रीट फूड।
Oh.
सो इट्स अ फेमस सदर बाज़ार चाट गली इज कॉल्ड।
Does it? It doesn't look that safe to eat here, is it?
या इट इज सेफ, वी यूज्ड टू ईट।
All right. So your favorite golgappes, I believe here they're selling.
यस,
Here also golgappes. Do you want to try some?
गोलगप्पे, आलू टिक्की। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट एल्स दे हैव।
Oh friends, this street so small. To be honest, if I will come alone, I will not risk to try food here.
ओके, और भी चीज़ें यहाँ पे, स्वीट कॉर्न, सम काला खट्टा,
Shakes also. See, they have so many items. Like
शेक्स एंड रोल्स, डोसा, cow also eating.
Kulfi faluda. Oh friends, see everywhere. Tuk tuk, wow.
Tuk tuk, pav bhaji.
They have chow means and all. And check the prices. They're very cheap if to compare with Delhi prices. Here they're so cheap. Oh wow. Even pizza is available here. Dosa, everything. Pani puri, 6 flavors. Oh wow. भाई ये कौन सी flavors यहाँ से?
रेगुलर गार्लिक जलजीरा पुदीना
Oh, great.
So 6 flavors of pani puri.
Yeah, can you imagine? That's really unusual.
Master Chef restaurant.
Oh wow, MasterChef restaurant. Is it from the same program, MasterChef?
Maybe from the same program. Don't know. But looks nice.
How it looks like it. Oh wow, they have Italian food here. Can you imagine?
Nice.
There is a menu. Oh, that's unbelievable. Like to find in the street food this type of kind of a restaurant cafe or street food stall. And check the prices, friends. It's quite cheap. It's like really cheap. For MasterChef,
Nice.
it's unbelievably cheap.
The same logo like Master Chef.
Yeah, that is something really nice.
So Irina, what do you want to eat from this
Oh.
chaat gali?
From Chaplin, thank you.
I think we have to eat chats only.
So, you tell me what is most common here and most famous of Agra.
So मैं तो यहाँ पे हमेशा आलू टिक्की ही ट्राई करता था, गोलगप्पे, आलू टिक्की।
Alright, so Golgappe, you know my preference of Golgappe.
Yeah, I know you do not like golgappe.
So, but Aloo Tikki, okay, I'm okay to try.
आलू टिक्की?
Yeah,
Okay, let's try.
let's check. Friends, to be honest, I'm a little bit nervous because here no one wears masks. Can you imagine it? I'm not talking only about this eating street food, but everywhere in Agra, people simply don't wear masks. We do wear masks, but whenever we record selfie videos, we sometimes remove it. But here, not a single person wears any protection on the face. And now, when they're selling things and they're also not wearing masks, you can see it's like, oh,
Scary.
yeah, a little bit. Like I do not want to go back to Delhi with Corona.
But for subscribers के लिए तो हमें करना पड़ेगा ना.
What to do? We do it only for you, friends.
So आगरा चाट हाउस से चाट ट्राई करने जा
Can you
रहे हैं.
imagine their logo is also with Taj Mahal? Wow, lovely.
So आलू टिक्की will try, right?
Okay, yes, let's try. If you're saying that it's famous from Agra,
Okay, so aloo fry.
this is aloo tikkis,
Yeah,
right?
this is aloo tikki.
Friends, can you imagine size if to compare with the Delhi aloo tikkis? These cutlets are so giant. They're so huge in size.
Yeah, and they have pav bhaji also. But you don't like pav bhaji.
Pav bhaji I have tried and they were very tasty in JMB cafe.
JMB.
But these aloo tikkis like this much size. They're like my hand size, very big.
भैया एक प्लेट आलू टिक्की कर दो.
एक टिक्की कड़क कर दो, चटनी खट्टा मीठा दोनों डालें.
जो आप बनाते हो नॉर्मल.
हाँ ठीक है.
ओके.
And what is the cost
और
of this
प्राइस
aloo
कितना है?
tikki?
50 रुपये सर.
ओके, थैंक यू.
ये लिखा हुआ है हर आइटम के लिए.
50 rupees. 50 rupees is for one piece or for two pieces?
One piece.
One piece of cutlet, 50 rupees. Oh, okay. So let's try what is so special about it. Yeah, so let's check what will be the taste of this aloo tikkis.
I think it will be the very tasty, crispy taste.
All right, so we will see.
At least man is wearing mask on chin.
Yes, at least on chin.
So Arina going to try aloo tikki from Agra. Looking yummy for you.
I do not know even from which part to start. It's like too crispy.
It's
I
crispy
think that
potato.
I will take like this.
Yeah, take with hands. कैसा लगा?
Just fried potatoes.
Fried potatoes.
Oh, why it's sour?
Because I think lemon he has added.
No, potato is sour. Let me check one more.
Check. So use hands. So I think here they are making it more crispy than Delhi.
Yes, in Delhi you can eat it with a fork.
खट्टा मीठा दोनों और
Got hot? Very hot. Okay, take your time.
Friends, potatoes are crispy, but to be honest, I will not risk to have with the chutney. These aloo tikkis are good because they're tasty. The only thing he should have asked about the lemons. I do not like the sour taste. Overall, it's fried well. It is crispy. It is nice to have it, and plus it is not costly. For this plate, you're paying just 50 rupees. So you can try it. Just avoid these chutneys because they're not cooked.
Friends, I'm trying with chutney. I always used to eat with chutney only. So देखिए मैंने चटनी सेपरेट ली है आलू टिक्की के. It's difficult to hold two things.
Okay, I will hold the chutneys.
See, looks so yummy.
Yeah, very tasty. So try it.
Okay, let's see कि मैं ब्रेक कर पाता हूँ नहीं. Yeah. Amazing taste. इसको खा के तो बचपन की याद आ गई. आलू टिक्की क्रिस्पी क्रिस्पी चटनी के साथ ऑलवेज अमेजिंग. जब भी आप सदर बाज़ार आएँ तो यहाँ चाट गली में ज़रूर ट्राई करें. चाट्स आर वेरी टेस्टी हेयर, सो आई डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड यू. सो आलू टिक्की वॉज वेरी टेस्टी. आई लाइक इट.
It depends. Taste differs. It was crispy, good, but I would not prefer to eat sour taste.
But
okay, fine.
it
Not
was
bad,
very
not bad.
crispy. My mouth got cut from some place inside. But it was tasty, worth it.
All right. So, and
okay.
our next stop is
Aloo faluda.
aloo faluda.
No, next stop is we will try faluda.
Faluda. This, I guess, this is the type of noodles, right?
Noodles with kulfi,
So, kulfi is ice cream.
ice cream.
Okay. So, do you think it is tasty?
I like it. So you also should try.
All right. So, I hope it will be safe to eat faluda.
ये शॉप का नाम है कुल्फी फालूदा कॉर्नर रेस्टोरेंट.
Looks clean, to be honest.
Yeah, so he has all types of faluda, kulfi, shake, rabdi,
And what are
kesar,
these things?
pista.
Bottle, white bottle.
I think they're
Sure.
keeping their faluda. Faluda is a noodles type.
Oh, so this is noodles. It's not getting spoiled over there.
I don't think so. Yeah, it's
Oh,
noodles.
it's noodles. Tochna.
And here they're collecting kulfis.
Oh, all right.
And here there's syrup they're putting on top.
Okay, okay. So let's check how it is.
Let's
What
check.
will be the taste?
फलूदा की बहुत सारी चॉइसेस है, रबड़ी, स्पेशल कुल्फी,
It's like all types of falooda possible and impossible. Can you imagine?
केसर पिस्ता, ड्राई फ्रूट्स. I think
It's
I will
so
like
big.
केसर पिस्ता. What do you think?
Okay, so take original whatever you like to eat before.
केसर पिस्ता, let's try. So हमारी केसर पिस्ता कुल्फी.
ठीक है
So हमने ऑर्डर करा है केसर पिस्ता कुल्फी और भाई हमारे केसर पिस्ता कुल्फी बनाने जा रहे हैं. So I think first step is
Oh, these are just noodles.
so is faluda is called.
Okay, so in my way, let's call it noodles.
और यहाँ से कुल्फियाँ निकालेंगे आई गेस.
Oh, ice cream you take out. Oh, seriously? It is kept in water?
Yes, ice I guess.
Oh, 1 second. It's in plastic box or what?
Yes.
Ah, that is a thing. Oh, that is some new technique. I have never
It's
seen
desi
and I have
style of
never
making
eaten
kulfi.
any of these things. Like, is everyone eating this?
It's desi ice cream, yes.
All right. I hope it is fine to eat.
Okay.
Friends, and it cost 140 rupees. 140 rupees,
Yeah,
can you
140
imagine?
rupees. You like the kulfi faluda look?
No,
Why? It doesn't look so horrible.
no, it looks so horrible for me.
Okay. But
Friends,
taste is good.
You know that I do not like anything of liquid milk and it feels like it's only milk.
Okay, so just try, okay? I will eat.
It feels like it's like a torture, you know, X Factor. Or you eat or you will be gone, you know.
Okay, okay.
It's like some reality show, huh?
What? Not tasty?
It's so much milk taste. Foo.
Yeah, faluda is made from milk only.
Faluda is not for me. Friends, if you do not like milk, I will not advise you this thing. It's like yuck.
Friends, मैं faluda try करने वाला हूँ, so I always like it. So
So you enjoy it, huh?
yeah, मेरे को तो बहुत पसंद है भाई.
Oh, मेरे को पसंद नहीं है.
Because हमने बचपन से खाया है, so I like it. So tasty.
How does it taste? Explain the taste.
It has milky taste with rabdi और यहाँ पे rose water I guess they've added some roafza type. But केसर पिस्ता का flavor नहीं आ रहा इसमें.
Yeah, it's just like as if you're having milk. That's it. So and you like it. So will you suggest our friends to come here and try this faluda?
If they like milk things.
Then yes. All right, enjoy.
Friends, यहाँ पे सरदार जी के पनीर टिक्का बड़े टेस्टी लग रहे हैं देखने में.
Friends, it is looking so well marinated. Check, they have this type of marination and another marination. It is looking really yummy. And what is the price? ये कितने का है?
150
150. Can you imagine? And it's very cheap. But friends, they just started the call,
Yeah.
so it will take, I do not know, centuries when it will be cooked. And unfortunately, we do not have much time. See, it's like
So-
overcrowded. Can you imagine? It's like afternoon and this is overcrowded place.
No, because आगरा में मोस्टली लोग यहाँ चाट खाने नहीं आते सदर बाजार.
Seriously? Oh wow. That is like, you want to see real places, you want to see real Agra and try Agra food, come here.
Bengal, madam.
That's really interesting. Friends, we have explored local street food and some of the food is nice and tasty. Some of the food looks tasty. But yes, faluda is something which I will never try again because it is not on my taste at all. But yes, you can come and experience everything what is available there.
But I like faluda from childhood, so that's why for me it's normal.
Yeah.
So चलो चलते हैं दूसरे प्लेस आगरा पे.
So my love, where we are heading to now?
So अभी हम जा रहे हैं संजय प्लेस. इट्स लेट्स से आगरा में जहाँ पे कंप्यूटर मार्केट का काम होता है, कंप्यूटर के पार्ट खरीद सकते हैं. और ऑफिसेज हैं, काफ़ी बैंक्स के ऑफिसेज है, नॉर्मल ऑफिसेज है. सो इट्स लाइक अ सेंटर ऑफ आगरा.
Oh, so this is the center of Agra because I was thinking, what is center of Agra? Where is the center of Agra?
सो संजय प्लेस सेंटर ऑफ आगरा.
Okay.
बट वहाँ पे जैसे नॉर्मल कैफ़े कॉफ़ी डे, पिज़्ज़ा हट, इस टाइप के वहाँ पे शॉप्स हैं. सो आई थिंक सभी जगह है वो ऑब्वियसली. सो नथिंग न्यू देयर.
But for me, it's new, right?
yeah, for you it's new. So I will show you what is there in Sanjay Place. Maybe we'll find some interesting thing. So friends, अभी हम क्रॉस कर रहे हैं मेरा कॉलेज जहाँ से मैंने अपनी ग्रेजुएशन
St.
करी
John's
है.
College, Agra.
इसका सेंट जॉन्स कॉलेज. अब देखिए बिल्डिंग ये बहुत पुरानी है सेंट जॉन्स कॉलेज की. ब्रिटिशर्स ने बनाया था इसको 1823 में आई गेस.
Friends, can you imagine? It looks like some fort, or else it doesn't look like college. Oh wow!
हाँ,
Unbelievable.
बहुत ही ओल्ड स्ट्रक्चर है और बहुत ही खूबसूरत बना रखा है अंदर से.
Can you imagine? Is it really college?
या इट्स अ कॉलेज.
No, it doesn't look like that. It looks like some, I do not know, fort or else, but it's not looking like, wow. So you have studied in an ancient building. That's really great.
यस. सो हम ऑलमोस्ट संजय प्लेस मार्केट पहुंचने वाले हैं. अभी यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा इसलिए मिलता है क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग शॉपिंग के लिए आते हैं और यहीं से सप्लाई होता रहता है कंप्यूटर्स के पार्ट्स और सब चीज़ें. सो इट्स क्राउडेड. और कॉलेज देख के तो मुझे अपने कॉलेज डेज की याद आ गई. बाइक से जाते थे, बाइक पार्क करी, कॉलेज में फ़ोटो खिंचवा रहे हैं, इधर देख रहे हैं. सो
Oh, great.
कॉलेज टाइम वॉज गुड.
Oh, so you're a macho boy riding a bike like this, huh?
या आई हैड अ बाइक. सो माचो बॉय. सो अरीना फाइनली हम आ चुके हैं संजय प्लेस मार्केट में.
Yeah, to be honest, it's very busy, and on the way I have seen all branded shops, Samsung, Sony, and all. There are so many things to see, so many things to explore. Of course, apart of just the electronic shops, there are also places to eat. I see there are some clothes shops and all. So I believe this can be the center of Agra. So much hustles and bustles here.
या बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऑफिस भी है जैसे कि मैंने बताया था.
And you see so many bikes are parked and scooters and all, to be honest, it's like so many things on the road.
बिकॉज आगरा ऐसे छोटे शहर में गाड़ी हर जगह जा नहीं सकती. सो दैट्स वाई मोस्टली पीपल हैव बाइक्स. ईजी टू ट्रैवल. और यहाँ चाट वाट चल रही है, लोग खा रहे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं.
Oh my god! I will never come alone to this place.
बस सो मेनी मीट बीप्स.
Yes, so many sounds.
And they
So
have
much
Max.
rush.
Max also building.
Max is what? Max Hospital.
No, Max is a fashion store. और संजय प्लेस मार्केट में यहाँ पे एक सिनेमा भी है जिसको संजय टॉकीज कहते हैं.
Can you imagine?
सो इट्स ओल्ड स्टाइल सिनेमा, नॉट मल्टीप्लेक्स. बिकॉज मल्टीप्लेक्स आजकल सब जगह है. और यहाँ पे वाला जिसमें बालकनी सीट्स.
Oh, seriously?
यस.
Unbelievable.
सो छोटे छोटे स्नैक्स कॉर्नर यहाँ पे बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे आपको क्योंकि ऑफिस पीपल यहाँ पे अपना लंच करते हैं. और यहाँ पे और कुछ ईटिंग जॉइंट्स है.
Yeah, friends, and they're very nice. See, they're like pizza types and all different coffee shops. If you do not want or you're afraid to have street food, you can come here, and I believe here prices are also reasonable, right?
या प्राइसेस आर रीजनेबल. सो Domino's pizza, bakery, kulcha.
Pizza Hut, Lapino's Pizza. So there's so many options if you're afraid, let's say, to have street food, which sometimes I do try.
रीना, that's all Sanjay Place Market. कैसा लगा आपको?
To be honest, like I thought there will be some shops which are on the roadside. You can walk easily and freely. But here it's so much hustles and bustles. There are so many vehicles on the road. You have to like this and zigzagging everywhere. But yes, like maybe if you need to buy some, let's say, electronics, you can come here. Honestly, for us, we were not able to find the microphone because there are somewhere shops inside which we do not know about. Like overall, it's to see what is the center of Agra. Okay, it's fine. But as a tourist, I do not advise to come here for the tourists because there is nothing to see, nothing to experience much.
Because basically I used to come to Sanjay Place to, you know, to buy something for my computer, to repair computer, or like some new product, laptop, something, because it's cheaper price as compared to other places.
Yes, but again, as being a tourist in Agra, or if you want to just visit the city, visit the market area which we have been before, visit some other places, but Sanjay Place is like so.
तो दोस्तों अभी हम शूज़ लेने जा रहे हैं जैसे कि आगरा इज फेमस फॉर शूज़ एंड मेनी अदर थिंग्स.
And you already have seen that shoe shop in our another video. Just check the link and enjoy that shop watching. And by the way, there are so beautiful branded shoes which are excellent quality. So do not miss that.
एंड आई होप आपको हमारा आज का वॉकिंग इन दी आगरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिएगा हमारे इस वीडियो को एंड शेयर ज़रूर करिएगा अपने फ्रेंड के साथ.
So friends, for me it was a new experience because I did not visit these places, and I hope for you it was also a new experience to see Agra from other point of view, from non-tourist point of view.
अगर आपका टूरिस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देखना है तो हमारी अदर वीडियोस भी हैं वेयर वी हैव शोन ताज महल.
Yeah, just please check our link in the description.
So इसी के साथ वीडियो को यहीं हम ख़त्म करते हैं.
And don't forget to press the like button and
सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल
and bell icon.
Bell icon,
Friends,
yes.
press the bell icon that you will get the notification about our latest videos.
So till then, see you in the next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.